Subscribe, like and share Ungli TV PK. Click bell icon also for more interesting videos.
Sunita Marshall is a Pakistani fashion model and television actress. She is best known for her role in ARY Digital political drama series Mera Saaein. This diva has been introduced to the fashion industry by her aunt, and she never looked back. This 39-year-old Pakistani fashion model is now married and has 2 children. Sunita Marshall has started in many television series and has been nominated to many awards, which include Lux Style Awards for Best Model and Hum Award for Best Model. This gorgeous woman got 463k Instagram followers. If you like this video, kindly like, subscribe and share Ungli TV PK.